This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com with your 1-minute car show featuring a 1954 Kaiser Darrin 161. This is powered by an F-head 6-cylinder producing 90 horsepower, 135 pound-feet, backed by a 3-speed with overdrive. The fiberglass body weighs in at 2175 and features a 3-position top, fully closed, half open, or fully reclined, as well as very unique pocket doors which slide into the front fenders. Kaiser Frazer built about 435 cars plus pre-production prototypes, and about 50 were built by Darrin after production ended. These very unique sports cars were made only 1 year in total production. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and if you like these 1-minute car shows, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.